Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today I want to tell you all about my new addition to my tool collection. I have the Klein Tools flip blade insulated screwdriver. It's 3.5 inches. It comes with a number 2 Phillip and a 1/4 inch slotted. This is something new by Klein that they recently put out, I guess a few weeks ago, maybe a few months ago. But before I get started, I want to just tell you that I'm impressed with the screwdriver. I really like the screwdriver. I like the feel of it. I like the way it's made. The texture of it it really feels durable. It's well built. I know that, and it really feels good in my hand. I think it's sturdy. I think it'll hold up in an industrial environment. I think it'll be around for a while. I think it'll be around for a long time. But anyway, this it has a slimline feel to it, and I like that because now I'm able to fit between the circuit breakers and the panel, or if I'm working inside of an industrial control panel, I can get right between the contactors with this slimline finish right here. I like the way the insulation is onto the shaft. You can't, it's real smooth. It's like blends right into the shaft. I like that. If you've ever had a Weehaw, it's this slimline version, and it looks the same as far as the slim line. I know this one is real good and it's real smooth and it's slimline. You can get inside of a contactor with it, and this is also same thing, and this is a real good feel too. This is a real good feel as well. Now, which one feel the best? Both of them. This have an ergonomic grip handle to it. This one doesn't, but it still feel good. This feel real good too. I like this more because this is one screwdriver that I can carry around with me that serves two purposes. The common side as well as the number 2 Phillip right here. And I can use one screwdriver instead of using two here, which would be the Phillip, and I'll have to get the common to put in my tool bag to take my space. This takes up less space but serves two purposes, and I like this. Now, on the other hand, and this serves this is just what I needed for my service tool bag, and built. I had a slot open for this screwdriver, and so it would complete my bag, my service tool bag. I'll get to that in a minute. I'll show you my bag, what I'm talking about. When I said this completes my bag, my service tool bag, and how it completes my bag. But this is a good find. It's a good buy right here, and you can't go wrong with this. You cannot go wrong with it. And in order to exchange, to flip it out or exchange your bed, just turn it a little bit. Pops right out. Lock back in with ease. No problem. Either way, it pops right out. Flip it. Put it back in. That's it. It's locked in there. It's a secure fit too. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Klein, I think you've done it again. I really like this screwdriver. I am very impressed with this screwdriver. Now, what I was telling you about my tool bag, I've done a video on my service tool bag once before, but I just want to bring it out again to show you how this tool completes my tool bag right here. I mean my service tool bag. This is my service tool bag right here. And let me just get it ready. Get all this out of the way. All right, this is my two Greenlee levels right here, and I'm going to take my tools out one by one again just to show you, for those who haven't seen out of my previous video. This is my service tool bag. This tool has everything in here that I need, except I don't have my meter with me, but everything I need in here as far as a tool, hand tools. This is my multi-bit nut driver from Klein. This is my extension screwdriver from Irwin. For those who didn't see, it's a multi-tip screwdriver. Irwin. This is from a company called Black Rhino. It's made in USA. And this is the my security bits. Right here, screwdriver. It has all kinds of bits in here, security bits. Right here. This is my hex bits right here. This is my ideal. It's 21 and one multi-bit have bits in here. And this is a ratchet. It's a ratchet tip. Plus it's stored bits in here. And plus they have a wire nut. You can use this on the end to tighten your wire nuts up. This is my awl that I use if I'm doing sheetrock and I have to make an incision in the sheetrock for an anchor and to strap some conduit down or what have you. This is my needle nose right here. I forgot the name that Klein named these, but they're needle nose with strippers. It's a journeyman series, but I forgot the name that they call them with since they put the teeth in here. But I know they're like a multi-tube, basically. This right here. And this is my Klein dikes, diagonal pliers. This is my Gardner and Bender cable cutters, 8-inch. This is my Klein, what they call them? Well, anyway, they're like combination pliers. I'm sorry, combination pliers with with a stripper, crimper, bolt cutter. My Klein's, what was the name of these? Heavy duty wire strippers. This is my insulated needle nose. This is all insulated, no metal whatsoever. This is my multi-bit terminating screwdrivers. This one have the hex bit multi-bit as well. And this is the common, the Phillip and the slotted in this one. That's a multi-tube as well. And this is my extended magnet right here for drop screws or whatever. I can pick them up. And if you, as you see, most of my tools are multi-tools. That's what I meant by and it makes up my bag. This fits right in here. So what I'm telling you, I have insulated screwdriver. I have my nut driver here. I have my 21-in-1 screwdriver here. My hex bit right here. My Irwin extension screwdriver right here. This is my right here. That's my security bit right here. And these are my needle nose, like combination like needle nose somewhat strippers. These are my combination pliers right here by Klein. This is my cable cutters by Gardner and Bender. This is my diagonal pliers by Klein. Okay. These are my heavy duty wire strippers by Klein. These are my insulated needle nose. This is my multi-bit terminating screwdriver. Both of them. And this is my awl right here. And this is my magnet right here. And my two Greenlee levels right here. When I'm either putting conduit or hanging a panel, I put one on top, put one on the side, make sure I got it level. And all she rolls. And here, Got a few wire nuts. Got me a blade in here. Packed me a few wire nuts. Stuff in here. And I'm good to go. Okay, fellas. Now my bag is complete. Insulated, wire strippers, any kind of screw I run across. If it's a nut, bolt, whatever, I'm straight. So that's my bag. That's what I meant by. I'm good to go. So my bag is complete. My service bag is complete. And that's it. So with that being said, fellas, I thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the little mini video that I just done on this Klein, flip blade insulated screwdriver, and show you a quick review of my bag. So I've done another video on my bag. I forgot, about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. If you'd like to check that out. But if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, hit that share button, leave a comment. Let's talk tools right here. If you got a question about anything that I showed in my bag or I did not mention, but you've seen it in my bag, drop a line. And I'll do my best to respond quickly as I can to you, but you will get a response. With that being said, I want to thank you guys. Peace out, and then you guys be safe. Later.